Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to change PC name and registered owner. You probably want to do this if you're passing an old computer on to someone else. I will now show you how to change the computer name. Go down and click on the Start button and then on the Control panel and scroll down to System. You'll see the computer name is currently Toshiba-P850. Click on Change Settings and then on Change. And just as an example, I'll take out that hyphen and click on OK to change it, the name of the computer. It's OK to click on OK there and close. Now I'm not going to restart now because I've got something else to show you, so clicking on Restart Later. And now I'm going to show you in part 2 changing the name of the registered owner. This is how you do it. Go down again and click on the Start button and then on Run. And in that box type regedit, that's R-E-G-E-D-I-T, and click OK. And yes, you want to allow the program to make changes to this computer. I've already opened this subdirectory under HKey local machine. And when you open it, go down to Software and click on the triangle, and then scroll down to Microsoft and click on the triangle, and scroll all the way down to Windows NT and click on the triangle, and you'll see current version. Click on that, and over on the right is the name of the registered owner, which is currently Trevor. If you left click in there, you can type in a new name. As an example, I'll just type in Fred and press OK, and you'll see that the new name Fred appears as a registered owner. Or you can right click on registered owner and click on Modify and put a name in and click OK, and you'll see it's gone back to Trevor. These names are fictitious for privacy reasons, and you can exit out of that. How to change PC name and registered owner, and how to change Windows login password are just two of the video tutorials which are part of the suite called How to Securely Prepare Your Computer for Disposal. In the descriptions under these online videos are YouTube links to related computer tutorials. Bye for now.